Is your 2015-2018 Audi Q3 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful battery replacement. Your Audi Q3 key fob requires a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery powers your key fob, providing the necessary 3 volts for its functions. Choose quality brands like Energizer or Duracell for optimal performance and longer battery life. These batteries are widely available at most stores and online retailers for under $5. Avoid generic off-brand batteries as they can cause corrosion and damage your key fob. Carefully examine your key fob. Locate the seam running along the side, usually near the Audi logo. Carefully examine your key fob. Locate the seam running along the side, usually near the Audi logo. Insert the tip of the small Phillips head screwdriver into the small slot at the seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid applying excessive force, which could damage the casing. The emergency metal key will emerge from one side. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR232 battery. Note its orientation, which side is facing up, the positive or negative terminal. The CR2032 is a 3-volt lithium battery. Check for any corrosion and clean with rubbing alcohol if needed. Remember the orientation to avoid shorts. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the polarity matches the markings inside the fob. The positive side should face up as indicated. Incorrect polarity can cause a short circuit and damage the fob's circuit board, potentially voiding warranties. Always double-check before closing. Now that you've replaced the battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Make sure the buttons and key align properly, then snap them back together firmly. Check that the seam is flush and secure with no gaps. Next, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Your car should respond as expected with the appropriate sounds or lights. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity. The positive side should face up. Also, ensure the battery is properly seated in its compartment without any obstructions. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, here are the most common troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the battery contacts are clean. Use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to gently wipe them. This removes any corrosion that can prevent proper connection. Second, double-check the battery polarity. The positive side should face up according to the markings inside the fob. Incorrect orientation can cause the fob to malfunction. Third, if the key fob still doesn't work, it may need reprogramming by an Audi dealer. This service typically costs between $100 and $200 and should restore full functionality. Common mistakes to avoid include short-circuiting the contacts with metal tools and using generic batteries that may cause corrosion. Always use high-quality CR2032 batteries. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce e-waste. These batteries can last longer and are more environmentally friendly. While Audi is moving towards digital key systems, physical key fobs will remain relevant for older models like the 2015-2018 Q3 for years to come. Regular DIY maintenance like this extends the life of your key fob and saves you money.